Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to J&A'S Unique Appetite and Travel. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment below. I want to know what you think. So today we're going to be making a cocktail on the budget. And the reason why I say that is I don't really have a lot of time. It's a quick cocktail that I can entertain all my guests with, and I could also have a small get together. So what you're going to do if you don't have any champagne glasses or wine glasses, go to the dollar store, pick whatever glasses of your choice. Get some strawberries from the grocery store, some pink bubbly, and some orange juice, either half gallon or whole gallon. It depends on how many you're going to be giving drinks to. Then you fill that glass up with a little bit of champagne, or you can make it a little bit over half. I like only a drop of orange juice in my champagne, and that's why it looks pink and beautiful. Cut that strawberry, put it on the glass, and it looks so beautiful for any of your guests. They'll be so happy. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Thank you once again for checking out J&A'S Unique Appetite and Travel. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day.